we got the second gen all washed up, about to load it up. Only reason we're loading it is because I don't want it to get muddy again. It just rained. Loading it up on the trailer, gonna take it up and get some performance stuff put on there, aka a Fass fuel pump and a bigger turbo and some injectors, and yeah, she's gonna be a little smokier, hopefully pushing more power, and yeah. All right, we're loaded up. I'm putting this old gal to work lately. What a trooper. All right, y'all, so we are currently on our way into town to go to the shop where we're gonna be installing my Fass fuel system. Going to Sodak Diesel Performance, baby. Repping the brand. But yeah, I'll take you along and we'll do a little install vid on it. Currently nice and rainy out. Been raining like all week long, it seems like. But it's nice to have the rain. All right, we just got the fuel tank pulled out here. Gonna put the fleece sump in it, and yeah, little unboxing vid here. Hell yeah. So this is Brandon, my mechanic up here in South Dakota, Sodak Diesel Performance.
Yeah, we're dropping in this Fleece Performance Sure Flow sending unit. Huge upgrade from the factory one. This eliminates the need to drill a hole in the bottom of your fuel tank and have a leaky sump. Also, we're able to tie the fuel return from the Fass right into the top of the sending unit, so you don't have to cut your filler neck, any other modifications. Hands down, if you're not installing one of these with your Fass, you're doing it wrong.
Doing it wrong, boys. Got the tank back under there. Looks good. Connor's hooking up the fuel necker and shit like that. Just unboxing everything. Getting ready to throw it in. Got the filters mounted up here. Brandon just got all the lines wired up. Now you're looking nice and clean.
Sauce. That's the sauce.
That's the sauce, huh? Hell yeah. Got it all wired up. Everything ran. Hooked up good under there. Nice and clean. Not a bunch of wires hanging loose and shit like that. Looking good. Okay, so we have the hood here. In this video, it is before we clear coated it. And this video is after the clear coat, and it turned out awesome. Saying goodbye to the signature hood today, boys. Gonna put the new design one on. Brandon got her all wrapped up. Well, there it is, first hole. Just about there. There you go. Oh boy. All right, boys, first start up with the new everything, honestly. Holy cripes. Sounds way different. Definitely a little hazy. Don't mind that at all though. Got it loaded up. Sounds amazing. Looks amazing. Strap down. Taking her home.